Here's how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Trust Wallet. First, open Trust Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, we'll transfer BNB. Tap BNB, then select Receive to display your BNB wallet address. Copy the address so you can use it in Crypto.com. Next, open the Crypto.com app and tap Transfer, then select Withdraw. Choose External Wallet since we're sending the crypto to Trust Wallet. Tap the plus button to add a new wallet, then paste the BNB wallet address you copied earlier. Give the wallet a name, such as Trust Wallet BNB, and tap Continue. You'll be asked to confirm that you trust the wallet address. Make sure the address matches the one from Trust Wallet before confirming it. Once approved, the address will be added to your list of withdrawal destinations. Select the newly added wallet, tap Withdraw, and enter the amount of BNB you want to transfer. For this example, we'll send $50 worth of BNB. Review the transaction details, including the withdrawal fee, then tap Confirm. Before confirming, always double-check the network and wallet address, since cryptocurrency transfers generally cannot be reversed once submitted. The withdrawal request will be submitted, and the BNB should appear in your Trust Wallet once the transaction is processed. In the example, the transfer arrived in about 20 seconds. That's all for this video. Thanks.